Taylor Frankie Paul is not happy that Miranda McWhorter wants to replace her on The Bachelorette. Taylor was supposed to be the lead of the show, but everything changed after a DV dispute involving her and Dakota Mortensen. Because of what happened, the people in charge have decided to cancel the season entirely. They're not just replacing her, but they are refusing to show any of the footage that was already filmed. Social media has been busy with people talking about who might replace her in the future. Some people are suggesting that Miranda from the show Secret Lives of Mormon Wives should take the spot, and Miranda has said that she wants to. She was on and off the vine with Caitlyn when she mentioned that she's only had 2 serious relationships, so getting back into dating would be something different for her. She mentioned that she hasn't been dating in over a year. She ended the podcast by saying Chase would be supportive of her going on there. During all this, Taylor has spoken out about the possibility of Miranda taking the spot on the show. Underneath a post about it, Taylor left a comment. In her comment, she put a sleeping face emoji. Fans think that she is trying to act like she isn't bothered by the idea of someone else being the lead. Some also think it's her way of pretty much saying that Miranda would be boring to watch. But before you go, I want to know, do you think Miranda would be a better choice for the show?